Alright, let's look at the homework 5.5, problem number 7. Alright, so we want to find the average value of this given function over the interval from 0 to 3. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so first we need to find the integral. So integral from, let's see, 0 to 3. Right, then you have negative 5x squared minus 5, right, with respect to x. Right, let's just compute this first. Right, then we're going to have to divide by 3 minus 0, which is 3. Right, so this is going to be, right, so if you take antiderivative, right, negative 5 is just a constant, so I'll just write that. Antiderivative of x squared would be add 1 to the power, so it's 3, and divide by 3, right? And the antiderivative of negative 5 is negative 5x, right? Then we're going from 0 to 3, right? Then we're going to plug in, right, negative 5, and plug in 3 first, so 3 cubed over 3 minus 5 times 3. Right, then minus, and if you plug in 0, you can see that it's 0 here. Oops. First term is 0, and this is 0, so actually it's minus 0. So I'm not going to write anything down. Right? So let's simplify this. So you can see that, let's see, one of the 3 cancel out, so that's going to be squared. Right, so you will have, right, 3 squared would be 9, and 9 times 5 is, let's see, negative 45. Right, minus 3 times 5 is 15, so that would be negative 60. Right, then average value is going to be, you just have to divide by 3 because it's a 3 minus 0. So negative 60 divided by 3 minus 0, which is just a long way of saying 3. And divide by that, so it's negative 20. Right, so let's type in. Here average value is negative 20. Right. Alright, we got that. Alright, part B, use the graphing calculator to graph. All I have is the GeoGebra, so I'm going to open up GeoGebra. Alright, so this is GeoGebra, so I'm going to do this. I'm going to say if, then we put x is 0 is less than equal to x less than equal to 3. Then we have the function is negative 5x squared minus 5. Then it's going to look like that. Then average value is y equals negative 20. So it looks like that, right? Well, I could have, let's see, maybe I'll write it this way so that we don't have to see. So the definition, we can write if 0 is less than equal to x less than equal to 3, then how about do that, and would that work? Actually, it doesn't work. Let me try this. Right, so delete that, and I'm gonna say g of x is equal to, maybe I'm just gonna say if, and 0 is less than equal to x less than equal to 3, then we'll have negative 20. Right, how about that? Right, so that's the average there. Right, so it looks like that. And then if you have a choice, looks like, let's see, not this one, not that one, and this looks promising, so we have to double check between those two, and it looks like this. Right, so it looks like A is the right one. Right, so check the answer. Alright, we got that. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.